Thank you so much. So, so what were we? I mean, where were we? Like we were talking about that chairman sir itself is ruling the office, but the classes are being ruled by the class teachers. Yes.
Yes.
So, likewise, the Arc India is also divided into different small places. Listen carefully. What is it, Agnivesh? Is there any doubt?
No.
So, others, please listen carefully. It is very difficult part. So, you have to understand it very easily. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, हाँ,
Okay, ma'am.
हो गया? Okay, completed. No. Now, let me continue. Now,
Yes.
listen. Likewise, the office is being taken care of chairman and the class is being with the class teachers. Likewise, India is also divided into small places. In that, few places we will call it as states and other few places we will call it as union territories. Understood?
Yes.
So some of the places or most of the places we will call it as states and some of the places we will call it as union territories. Okay.
Union territory.
So what I said right now, India is been ruled by central government or called as Indian government. Okay.
Indian government.
And these India, the places are there. India is being divided into small places. And these places, few of the Indian places are called as union territories and the other places are called as states. Got it? Like your classes, you have lots of classes. Yes? Here from just KG till 12th standard, there are lots, isn't it? So many.
Yes.
So these are being taken care by the class teachers. Likewise, states are more than union territories. Okay? Here office is there only for 2 departments are there in office, isn't it? Office is smaller. Yes? So there is only one number of office. Yes, there is only one office. So, but union territories, there are more than one. But like office has been taken care of by the chairman, the union territories are also taken care by the central government. Okay? Union territories are 6 or 7 are there. We will learn the number of union territories and states in the next classes. But this small number of union territories are being taken care by the central government. But the states, so what we will call the people who is ruling the state government? I mean states, ruling the states. Who is ruling the states? State governments are ruling the states. Understood?
Yes.
Children, my sound is clear for you, yes?
Yes. It is clear, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Now,
No,
let us check. Now let us check with the board. Okay, I'm sharing you the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, look here. Children, as we said, in the school, who was taking care? Chairman. So school is our India. Okay, imagine India is as our school. Yes, I know. 1 second. Now the echo is stopped. Yes. Now the school is being taken care by the chairman, sir. Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now enough. So India is taken care by
Government.
central
Government.
government.
Central government.
Yes.
Chairman.
Central government.
Like chairman sir rules our school, India is ruled by
Central government.
One second, children. My spelling, I was not able to complete the spelling.
Central government.
Yes, central government.
Central government.
Okay.
Ma'am, COVI. That is I.
No, that is the earlier.
COVERNMENT. Ma'am, I have a question. Very funny in your
Okay, I will
class.
give the spelling later.
Ma'am, doubt.
Yeah.
Why are they simply putting E's if it's not even pronounced?
Which one?
In some words, at the end there is E, but it's not even pronounced.
Ah, that is a rule. There are some rules which you have to. Okay, follow.
Okay.
That is a rule of English language. Okay, Ashwati?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So, school is being ruled by Chairman Sir. Likewise, India is being ruled by
Government.
Central
Government.
government. Yes. And I said the schools department is being, one second, children. And the schools is being divided, as I said, into classes. And I said into office. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And
Amachi.
here.
Ma, this is telling Amachi.
Other. Now, India is divided into
Aishwarya, you are
states.
sitting in a dark room.
That and all Aishwarya will see to it. Listen here. States and also union. Union.
Territory.
Territory.
Union territory.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Adit, mute yourself. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
classes are taken care by the
Office.
and class teacher. Likewise, states are taken care by the state government. Yes, very good. And office is taken care by
Chairman.
chairman, sir. Likewise, union territories is taken care by the central government. Central, yes.
Home. Mama's sound is hearing.
Yes.
Please mute.
Whose mother is talking? I don't know. Please mute.
Ma'am, they are telling the answer.
Sarah, please keep quiet now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, did you understand?
Yes.
School is taken care by the chairman, sir. Likewise, India is being taken care by central government. Now,
Central government.
then, where is it? 1 second, children.
Where is it?
Somewhere it went.
Where is it? 1 minute.
1 minute.
Ma'am, Adit is telling Amachi.
Yeah, it's here.
It became very small. I can't see.
Wait.
I cannot see, ma'am. Now it's so big.
Now you can. Yes?
1 minute. Zoomer.
Okay, now you can. Fine. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
now you understand.
Yes.
School is taken care by chairman, so likewise India is being taken care by the central. Yes.
India
And-
government, status, state government used.
Can I explain?
Okay, ma'am. Chairman, sir.
So here, who is talking in between? Now, so as school is divided into classes and office, here states and union territories in India. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And classes are taken care by the class teacher. Likewise, states are taken care by the state governments. Office is taken care by the chairman, sir. Union territory is taken care by the central. Did you understand how this is? Yes?
Yes.
Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Is it clear for you?
Yes.
So you have to imagine about your school while you're thinking about India, how it is being taken care by chairman sir of our school. Likewise, India is also being taken care by the central government, the state government. Understood?
Yes.
So India is being divided into small places, and few of the small places is called
want to say.
what?
Amit want to say
Amit want to?
something.
Who is telling this?
Adit.
If Amit wants to speak something, he will speak to me. Okay? You don't want it to be intermediate in between. Okay. So now, where were we? We were talking.
I'm Regin unmuted.
What is it, Regin? So India is being divided into small places. In that, most of the places are called as states and few places are called as union territories.
Union territories.
Whereas the states are taken care by the state governments and union territories are taken care by the central government, and whole India is being taken care by the central government itself. Okay, like chairman sir does for our school, central government is also ruling our country. Understood, children?
Yes.
That is the basic ruling of our country, and there are so many states and there are so many little bit of union union territories. Okay, so these we will learn how many are there, that we can learn in the next class. Okay, before that I wanted to know whether you know all these things which I said right now. Who can give me what I taught you? Who can tell me?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am,
Yes, Aishwarya. Yes, Aishwarya. Aishwarya, yes. Yeah? Yes, Aishwarya. Let it be wrong, no problem. Let it be wrong, no problem. Yes.
His mom is telling. Divided into.
First, wait. First, children, you have to say India is being ruled by central government. So say that as a first sentence. Okay, what is it? India
Ruled by the central government.
Then India is divided into small places.
India is divided into small places. Unit and unit. Union
States and union territories, isn't it? What is it? States and
union territories.
Then then states are taken care by the state governments. Then
Union territories.
taken care by the or ruled by the
Central government.
central government. Once I am asking to, now I was asking to Aishwarya, isn't it? Why others are interfering?
Sorry, ma'am.
I will not
Sorry,
give
ma'am.
for those who people are interfering in between the others, okay? Now who is going to speak? Raise your hands. There is no need of me. Raise your hands. Who wants to speak? Raise your hands. Aishwarya, well done. Okay, thank you, dear. You said very well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Who else wants to make a try? Nobody. Very bad. Okay, Sarah, come on. Somewhere a parent is talking. Please mute yourself. Yes, Sarah, come on. Sarah, speak up.
1 minute, ma'am. Sheba. Ma'am, who is Sheba?
That is Sarah. Yes, Sarah, come on.
Sarah's mother is Sheba. Ma'am, what did you tell?
Beautiful.
Ma'am, I go to one
You
thing,
went
then
When one thing? What is one thing?
1 minute. I'll show.
I don't want to see anything. Aishwarya, you just repeat once again. Aishwarya, can you repeat for others?
India is ruled by government, central government.
Yes, very good.
India divided into states and union territories.
States are
State is ruled by state government.
the
Union
territories.
is ruled by central government.
Well done. Now, who can repeat this? Well said. Who can repeat now? Nobody. Ashwati, why silent? Dara,
Forgot the last
Agnivesh.
part.
Huh?
I forgot the last part.
No problem. You try beginning onwards. I'll help you.
India is ruled by
Central.
central government.
Yes. And divided into?
And divided into states.
And? Union territories.
Union territories.
Very good. Well said. And states are ruled by?
And states are ruled by state government.
Yes, state government. Union territories are ruled by?
Union territories are ruled by
central government.
Central government?
Yes. Can you just speak it again?
Okay.
The same way. I'll help you. No problem.
India is ruled by central government.
Very good.
And divided into
India is divided into states and union territories.
Divided into states and union territories.
States are ruled by?
States are ruled by state governments and union territories are ruled by central governments.
Very well said. Then who else wanna try? Yes, Hari. Hari, come on. Good.
India is ruled by central government.
1 second, I wanted to correct your pronunciation. It is not ruled. It is ruled. Hari, it is ruled. Yeah, come on, continue. Start beginning. Start from the beginning.
India is divided
Now,
by...
Hari, you have to start from the beginning. I wanted to hear that ruled.
India is ruled by central government.
Hari, wait. It is not ruled. It is ruled. Repeat that word. Ruled. Yes, come on. India is ruled.
India is ruled by central government.
Yes.
And
there is no and. India is divided into
Central government.
India is divided into states
Central
and
States
union
union
territories. Okay, children, 1 second. Let us learn that words again. Few of them does not know the words again. So let me share with it. 1 second.
Ma'am, we are showing means I will read.
No need of like that. Okay, showing means I can read. I don't want that. So children, it is India. Look here. India ruled by
Ruled by central government.
central government. I'm just writing government like this as it is short. I'll teach you the spelling later. Now, then, India is divided into states and union territories.
States.
Okay, and states are ruled by state government. Union territories are ruled by ruled by central. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So look here, India is ruled by central government. India is divided into states and union territories. Union territories are ruled by central government. Did you understand? All of you understood? Yes.
And union territories.
Now you understand the words states, union territories, central government, state government. Got it? Clear? Now who can tell me the answer?
And can I tell?
Aishwarya, you have got one chance, isn't it? Let me ask with others. Sorry, dear. Yes, who else? Bhuvi, can you try? Try. Very good.
Her voice is not clear.
Huh?
Yeah, sometimes when she says it, it's not clear. Of course.
What, of course? Sarah, in between you are speaking. What is it? 1 second, children.
Me?
Yes. Now Bhumi speak. Bhumi, can you speak a bit louder? I cannot hear. Yes. Now come on. Start. India. Ruled by central.
India is ruled by central.
India is divided into states and union territories. Very good. States are ruled by state government. Union territories are ruled by
Union territories.
what?
Central government.
Central government. Bhumi, what is it? Central
Government.
Central government. Yes. Ivana, can you try? Thank you, Bhumi. Good.
Yes.
Very good. Come on, try.
India is ruled by central government.
Then India is divided.
Divided into states.
I am asking. Ivana only should answer me. Others, I don't want your sound to be heard in between.
State is ruled by
Yes.
state government and union territories is ruled by central government.
Yes. Very good. Well said. Now, who's it? Ashwati, you wanted to try? After that, I'll come to Adit. Adit want to say, isn't it?
Yes.
1 second. Let Ashwati speak again, and then I'll come to. Rachel, you're silent now. What happened? Okay, I'll come to you, Rachel. 1 second. Let Ashwati complete. Yes.
Is ruled by central government and India is ruled by central government divided into
India is divided into. Otherwise, others will think that central government is divided into. So you have to start with again. India is divided into.
India is divided into states and
Union.
union territories. States is ruled by state government and union territory is ruled by central government.
Well said. Adit. Dara, next can I ask you?
Ma'am.
After Adit, I'll come to you. Let me see. Okay. 1 second. Not now. Let Adit. Yes, Adit, come on.
India is ruled by central government.
Then.
India divided into states and union territory. States are divided into states are ruled
By.
state government.
Union territories.
Union territories divided ruled by
Okay.
central government.
Okay, fine. Good. Now, Dara, can you try? Dara? Can you try, dear? Today, Agnivesh sound is not heard, okay? Otherwise, he used to give me the answer.
Ma'am, I can't unmute. Ma'am, Dara can't unmute.
Why? 1 second.
He sent message in the chat.
Okay. Check out Dara now.
Try now, Dara.
Now also cannot? Why is it?
No.
Ma'am, network problem.
Maybe. Okay, next time, Dara. Have a time next time, okay? Next class. Yes, Vaiga, come on.
India is ruled by central government. India is divided into states.
And?
Divided into states.
States and one more.
States are divided into union territories. States are ruled by state government.
Ma'am,
Union territories
we can
are
speak
ruled
today.
by central government.
Okay, fine.
Today we can
Good.
speak.
There is no time, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Next class.
Next class. Okay. So let us wind up, dear.
Yeah. No, ma'am.
Bye.
Class is very fun. Yeah,
What
very
class?
fun. Yeah, class is very fun.
I did not understand. Ashwati, what is it?
I like this class. It was fun. 5 minutes. Ma'am, 5 minutes only.
That time was
5
a big
minutes.
thing. Okay,
Just 5
fine.
minutes. ma'am.
No. It's already 50. Bye, children. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.